Saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to Chime.
So after the National Museum of Singapore, we're going to the Chimes Church. Dito kinasal ang Crazy Rich Asian Bida.
No, not the Bida. The best friend of
The best friend of the Bida. So we're going there and we're gonna marry later.
Marry again.
Marry again. Victoria's Street.
Nagbablak ba? Abot ba tayo? Hindi na.
Okay.
Oh! Siya gumo.
Sino?
Siya. Siguro.
Mas maganda ang kaliwa. Kala ko din yung entrance. Ano?
Ano na yun? Parang hagdan.
Pwede ba natin ano?
Oh,
Iba ko? Dapat?
ito?
Oo. Dapat umaga pa rin nag-ground pa rin. Baba. Yes, baba. Hi guys. Kita kami sa Maxwell.
We're done eating. So we cannot vlog now kasi
We're hungry.
at sobrang itong mga hangin.
But let me show you the Buddha temple. Papasok tayo?
Hindi tayo papasok. Dito tayo lalakad. Saan ba tayo?
Dun.
Ah, dun ba tayo? Ito lang.
Tissue lang. First stop.
Okay ka na dyan?
There's a lot of birds here. Dove. Postcard ba?
Tayo ba?
Chinatown na pala talaga. Saan tayo? Akala ko may bibiling ka pa.
Hindi, kung ano lang madaanan.
Dito nga.
Saan tayo?
Dire-diretso.
Ah, dito? Dito?
Dito.
Okay. After niyan, wala na?
Nana. Ma.
Oh.
Ang ganda ng dog. Takot. Kaliwa na. Left. Chinatown Complex. Baka may gusto kang bilhin din. Alam mo to? Dun sa hinanap mo? Chinatown Complex.
Lang akong balak kung tabi. Lapit lang pala dito. Tapos,
Kanan. Ay, tawid tayo. Sarado pala. O, wag na kaya. Dito na lang tayo.
saan?
Dito. Pwede. Ooh, art. Mama, tingin. Aray ko.
Ay, ako po.
Yeah, it's hot. But sanay na tayo. You know, Philippines. It's a hotter country. But this girl, she's not living in the Philippines. She's in America. Saan na tayo? Desi ka nga. Amaka.
Walking.
Walking down the streets for the woman.
Good na, bye.
Pagod ka na, bye?
And some flyers. After this, where are we going?
We're going to Harry Potter. Sentosa. We're going to Sentosa. And ang lagkit na ng legs ko.
Ano, picture tayo din?
Saan? Oh, hindi naman Little Angel, di ba? Ha?
Parang yan ata yun pa.
Eto na ba yan? Tingin mo. Bakit Potato Head ba yan? We're going, near na daw kami sa Potato Head, so we're back. We're here again. Vlogging. Thank you to our supporters, my family. So, sa wakas, naka 10 subscribers na kami. My family. Different establishment, and we're here at Gyeongsang Road. Konti lang yung cars dito talaga sa Singapore. Paano masabi? Butternut tree. What do we have here? Yan? Bakit?
Hi.
Where are you now?
I'm here at Sentosa. What?
Resorts World.
Resorts World.
Sentosa.
Sentosa. So, today our agenda, we're going to the Harry Potter Magic of Wish.
Okay.
But 5:30 pa ang aming schedule. So, for the meantime, we're just
Going to stroll.
strolling.
Yes, I like the word.
Yeah.
Good.
And then, I crave for the Starbucks for today's
You crave
dinner.
for a Starbucks drink.
Yeah. You know why?
Why?
You know what?
What?
I have a drink.
Wait, I forgot the mic.
Oh yeah. You forgot the mic. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait,
Tomorrow,
wait.
we're going here
It's not
again.
connected.
Not yet.
I don't know why.
Okay, so